Good morning, children. As you know, our fourth chapter is going on, that is multiplication, and we were doing exercise 4C. And yesterday, children, we have completed up to question number 12. So 7, 8, 9 and 10 was your classwork, and 11 and 12 was homework. So now we will see question number 13 is same as we have done earlier. 9145 multiply by 234. Now 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 8 we will write here, 1 we will give carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 4 9s are 36. Now starting with the second digit, we put 1 cross here, 3 5s are 15, 5 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 3 4s are 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, 3 9s are 27. Now starting from with the third digit, we will put 2 cross here, 2 5s are 10, 0 we will write here and 1 will be carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18. Now we will add these products. 0, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 5 plus 3 8 and 1 is 9, 6 plus 4 10 and 9 19, 10 plus 9 is 19, 9 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 2 12 and 12 plus 1 carry is 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 will be carry, 2 plus 8 10 and 1 is 11. So 1 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer for question number 13 is 21,39,930. Now question number 14, 7851 multiply by 501. So first we will multiply by 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8, 1 7s are 7. Second digit is 0. So we will put 1 cross and 4 0 we will write because 4 digits are there. So 4 0 we have written. Now starting with the third digit, we will put 2 cross, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 we will write here, 2 will be carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42. So 2 we will write here, 4 will be carry, 5 7s are 35 and 35 plus 4 is 39. Now we will add these products. 1 5, 8 plus 5 13, 3 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 1 carry is 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 will be carry, 1 plus 2 is 3, 9 and 3. So 39,33,351 is the answer of question number 14. Now children, question number 15. 5,136 multiply by 209. So 5136 multiply by 209. 9 6 are. So 9 6 are 54. 4 we will write here, 5 will be carry, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5, 5 carry is there. 27 plus 5 is 32. 2 we will write here, 3 will be carry, 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12, 2 we will write here, 1 we will give carry. Now 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 1 is 46. Now starting from the second digit, we will put 1 cross, 0 is there, so 4 0 we will write here because there are 4 digits. Now starting from the third digit, we will put 2 cross, 2 6 are 12, 2 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Now we will add these products. 4 2, 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 7 13, 3 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 carry is 7, and 10, 0 will be 0 and 1 will be 1. So 10,73,424 is the answer of question number 15. Now question number 16. 5,873 multiply by 156. Now Starting from the 6, we will multiply by 6 first. 6 3s are 18. 8 we will write here. 1 will be carry. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. 3 we will write here. And 4 will be carry. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. 2 we will write here. 5 will be carry. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. Now from the second digit we will multiply, that is 5. We will put 1 cross here. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 5 7s are is 35. 35. So what will be the carry? 1 carry is 36. 6 we will write here. 3 will again carry. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. 3 we will write here. 4 will be carry. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. Now starting from the third digit, we will put 2 cross here. 1 3s are 3. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8 and 1 5s are 5. Now we will add these products. 8 5 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 we will write here and 1 will be carry. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 7 how much? 15. 15 plus 1 carry is 16. So 6 we will write here. 1 will be carry. 3 plus 9 12. 12 plus 8 20. And 20 plus 1 carry is 21. So 2 we will give carry here. 1 we will write here. 2 plus 5 7 and 7 plus 2 carry is 9. So 9,16,188 is the answer of question number 16. Now children, today's homework is, after question number 16 there are two question remaining, that is 17 and 18. So 17 and 18 is your homework. Clear hai? Exercise 4C, question number 17 and 18 you will do in your classwork copy in homework. Thank you and have a nice day.